Welcome back to another episode of What's Trending on Etsy, and this is the place to be every single week in order to get inspiration on what to list on Etsy that has low competition keywords and lots of sales potential. Let's go ahead and do some shout outs for some action takers from last week. So thanks to Cheryl for chiming in last week, and she said, I hope you keep doing this. I've already sold 2 shirts inspired by these videos. So congratulations, Cheryl, on your sales. And then we have Stacy who chimed in and said, Angie, want to thank you for yesterday's YouTube video. It sparked an idea for a niche for me to develop. I even applied for a trademark because I think it has so much potential. So congratulations to these 2 action takers. And if you're getting results from what I'm sharing here, be sure to comment down below. Let us know so that we can celebrate with you. And I would also be happy to give you a shout out in the next video. So as always, we're going to use my favorite research tool to validate some of these trends and make sure that there is a good amount of search volume and low competition for our listings this week. Now, I normally do t-shirt trends. However, this week we're going to do a special for stickers because I recently put out a sticker design tutorial and a lot of you guys absolutely loved that video. So this week we are doing trending stickers, and next week we'll be back to t-shirts unless you guys request something different down below. So without further ado, let's get into this week's trends. All right, so first up today, we have the niche for causes and awareness, and this is in a sub-niche for autism. We have a very simple text-based sticker on a transparent vinyl sticker, and these are around $1 on Printify plus shipping. And so as you can see, this is so simple with just text. So let's pop over to Sales Samurai and check out the search volume and competition for this. So the sticker said, all behavior is a form of communication. And when I typed that in the basic search, I found a better keyword from the keyword suggestions below, which is just all behavior is communication, search volume 220, and a competition of only 233. That is a keyword that is sure to crush it if you do your listing really well. And under the keyword suggestions, we can also see that the search volume and competition for shirts is really good as well. So this is a keyword phrase that could be used across multiple product lines. So if you get, say, a winning sticker or a winning shirt, then you can add it onto those different variable products. And then we can see the search volume of the tags over here, which there is a lot for autism awareness, neurodiversity shirt, special education, communication shirt, special ed teacher, ABBA therapist shirt, social worker gift, all kinds of good additional keywords. So like I said, this won't only work for stickers, but it will work for shirts as well. And if we scroll down to the bottom, we can see some of the top listings that are using this keyword for all behavior is a form of communication. You can see the various different stickers and you can go into them over here, of course, and look at more details for each of these individual listings to see how you can do yours better. And next up, we have these really cute kawaii cow stickers, and I did a tutorial last week on how to do these type of designs with literally typing a couple of words. Like you could just type in kawaii cow and it will generate you your very own unique image that you can use for stickers. So I will link that tutorial for you down below so you know just how easy it is to make these, and this video will confirm for you that there's plenty of room for you to make sales with these. So this is a bestseller, and as you can see, this product has 463 reviews for this item. So that means that this has probably sold 3 times that amount. So over on the Sales Samurai basic search to confirm that we can jump into this as a new store, this one is getting a search volume of 34. And let me tell you guys, I have had bestsellers on Etsy with search volume around this number. So don't think that a search volume of 34 is too low, because it certainly is not. And then we have an Etsy competition of a 1,580. So that is not many sellers to be competing with. And then if we scroll down to the bottom, we can see other suggested keywords here. So Kawaii Strawberry Cow Sticker has a search volume of 29 and a competition of only 429. This shows you how you could also expand with your design and maybe even do a tote bag, because Kawaii Cow Bag, search volume of 23 and competition of 624. So if you're doing research for one thing like t-shirts or stickers, it doesn't mean that you have to be limited to those products, because you might find a different type of a product that might even be more suitable. All right, and next up we have a frog sticker, and I think I literally laughed out loud when I saw this, but as you can see, this is a bestseller. So who says that you have to be a great designer to sell print-on-demand products? No offense to the person selling this, but I'm sure they won't take offense, because this is a bestseller. They're selling lots of these, and as you can see, they have 104 reviews for this exact item. Okay guys, and check this out. So over on Sales Samurai, we can confirm this has a search volume of 200, and you saw your competition there. So do you think you can do a better job than that? That's for you to decide. And the competition is only 87. This for sure is a winner. Now let's scroll down to the bottom here, and you can see some other suggested keywords as well. Here's one for you to check out. Fat Girl Sticker, 190. Etsy competition, 536. Fat Gum Sticker, search volume of 65 and only a competition of 9. So this is why I love Sales Samurai so much, because sometimes you could be doing research on one thing and you can find several other ideas right here in the keyword suggestions. So next up, we have another simple text-based sticker, and this one is in the mindset niche, which is super popular right now, and it just simply says, "You're doing amazing, sweetie," and this says it is an Etsy pick. So it was selected by Etsy style and trend editors, so you want to take note of that. This is on trend, and this is also in a sort of retro style. And if we scroll down, we can see this sticker has 2,336 reviews, so it has most likely sold 3 times that amount. That is a lot. Now, if you aren't subscribed, make sure that you are subscribed and turn on the bell notification, because one of the next videos that I do, it may not be the very next one, but one coming up soon, I'm going to do a full how to profit with stickers tutorial that you guys are absolutely going to love. I know some of you have been concerned about how to price stickers because of the cost and the shipping over on Printify, but I can assure you people are charging some ridiculous amounts of money for stickers that are bestsellers and that are selling a lot. So hit that subscribe button and let's pop over to Sales Samurai. Alright, so over on the basic search, I do want to point something out to you, because as you can see, it says the search volume is NA, but if I look down here to the keyword suggestions, I can see that same keyword, "You're doing amazing" sticker, says search volume of 51. So what I know from using this tool regularly is that I need to go under the shop tabs and update my shop connection with the API to potentially update that NA search volume right there. But this has a competition of 104, so super low competition. So search volume of 51, competition 104. We saw that other listing that's an Etsy pick, and they have over 2,600 reviews, so they have sold a ton. And you might want to check this out, Do Something Amazing. That has a huge search volume of 436 and a competition of only 52. So lots and lots of options here when it comes to keywords and additional ideas. And if we look at the tags over here, you can see just stickers in general is getting a 26,000 search volume. Laptop stickers, lots of search volume. Water bottle stickers, so many great keywords to tap into for sure. So if you're getting value out of these research videos that I'm doing every single week, be sure to drop me a comment down below and let me know if you want me to keep doing these. So I hope you have lots of inspiration for your listings this week, and don't forget to leave a comment down below and share your wins so that we can celebrate with you and also give you a shout out in the next video. All of the resources to succeed with Etsy Print on Demand are going to be linked down below in the description. And I would also love to invite you into my Facebook community where there are tons of other sellers just like you, sharing their wins, sharing their struggles, and helping each other along the way. One of the #1 tools for success is engaging in a community and tossing ideas back and forth with others. And that is why I put together the Facebook community. So join us in the community, get started on the 7-day free Etsy bootcamp, and don't forget to snag your free trial of Sales Samurai so you can start validating these trends on Etsy as you go and do your own research. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can join us here every single week. I'm also going to link for you on the screen here my full playlist of what's trending on Etsy so you can get some more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Make it an amazing day, and I'll see you back in the next video.